house of innovation.
A robot is more powerful, more capable than a human. A human is so much better at decision-making and dexterity. And we think that we can transfer the dull, dirty, and dangerous to the robots.
You're a construction person. I want you to be able to sustain a career for 30 years. I don't want you to blow your back out. I don't want you to wreck your hips. So we put the hard things on robots. So we allow those people that run the construction systems to have a sustainable career.
Most people think that as you bring automation into an industry, you're eliminating jobs. But in reality, what you're doing is you're transferring those jobs to a better job.
One of the things we're really excited about is that not only are we taking jobs that people don't want to do and putting them on automation, but we're creating jobs within the construction space that are tech-oriented.
Key principle of Diamond Age is being able to bring people into the construction workforce that have never been there before. We want to open it up to everyone, regardless of your size, regardless of your previous history. You can come to Diamond Age, be a contributor, drive the mission.
At Diamond Age, we're reimagining the workforce that builds homes. It's no longer the strong, burly individual that carries the heavy thing on their back or the shoulder, but it's the creative, innovative individual that uses their mind to create ideas to put solutions in place.